Hello my friends, this is Rumbler from Task Force Aces. Today I'm going to show you what the hop-up is, how to adjust it, and I'll tell you what it does to your BBs. Right here we're looking at a G&G Armament Combat Machine M4, and the way to adjust your hop-up on this weapon is on this side. There's this little door. You would flip this down, and there's the gearbox here, and this little green wheel right here, right there. That's the hop-up adjustment. Alright, now to get to the hop-up inside your gun, you're going to want to undo the pin in front of the ammo well, mag well rather. Now, to get it off of the upper receiver off the lower receiver, you're going to want to slide it off, and we'll put the lower receiver down there. This gray piece, that is the hop-up. And we'll just slide this out. Here's the adjustment like I showed you earlier. Now here that is, and it would be turned in order to move the hop-up up and down. Now if you look in the barrel here, you'll see that little bump. That is what actually taps the BB to make it literally hop up. The way it works exactly, yeah, it taps it, but when you do that, you don't want to necessarily forget it's there, because if you do, then you'll be shooting at people at closer range, and it simply will not work, because it'll hop up over them. Now, while I'm putting this together, I will be saying that this is my main gun I use. I use a drum magazine with 5,000 rounds, and I also put a bipod on it so that it will be more steady when I'm shooting. I also use just a cheap red dot sight for any of you wondering why I don't have rear sights. The reason I use the red dot instead of regular rear sights is that it's harder to see when you have foliage the same color or near the same color as your rear sight. Alright, so there's it back together. I slipped the pin back in, upper receiver's back connected to the lower receiver, and as you can see into here, there's the gearbox, and right there's the hop-up. That is where the magazine goes. That would be all for this video.